how a timeshare resale can benefit you and your family. If you've got a family, then you know how interesting going on a vacation can be. From fights about who gets to sit where, to trying to plan around both the wants of your children and yourselves, to planning your budget. It can be quite the experience. You may have probably heard of a timeshare resale, and you may have even been invited to a developer's presentation. But before you think of getting involved, you need to consider a few things. A timeshare resale, like any investment, can be either very good and worth the money, or it can lead to financial hardship. The key is in being able to clearly see which one. It can be hard not to get swept up into buying in. After all, most developers spare no expense and treat potential consumers to lavish quarters. But don't be swayed. Consider for a moment what the benefits of a timeshare resale are. For one thing, you don't have to find accommodation every time you want to vacation in the area the property is in. You would just go there. This alone can be one of the main sources of stress in planning a vacation. Another benefit is overall cost. Consider for a moment the associated cost in buying a vacation home. Not only do you need to come up with a down payment, you will have a mortgage, closing cost, lawyer's fee, and so forth. You won't need to worry about the maintenance of the property either, as you would with one you own, as that is handled by the owner. A timeshare resale is much more economical in terms of cost of buying strictly from the developer. A timeshare resale privately sold can save quite a bit of money also, though you will need to do some research to find them. A timeshare resale is good if you have a large family as well, as you won't be paying for extra hotel rooms, and should you be very busy, it will be one less thing to deal with, as you know where you are going and won't need as much time to plan. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.